Those winds you felt overnight are responsible for this, a massive maple tree down over North Manchester Street in Brockton. It pulled wires down off the side of this apartment building, smashed a window, cutting power, and somehow missed the cars right near it. And this man knows it could have been a whole lot worse. He was just arriving home about 2 in the morning when he felt the strong winds and heard a crash.
I was that close, so lucky, so that the tree didn't hit me. If I park my car right here, after I parked it, I was on my way home, that tree could have hit me in back on my head.
Neighbors say they have been worried about the tree for quite some time that was growing into the asphalt and leaning.
But I see the tree, I see there is a big problem. If don't cut the tree, one day it's gonna fall.
Christian says just yesterday his kid was out playing right where the tree later fell. Power crews are busy getting people back online here, and fortunately, no one was hurt.